Hi guys, this is your animatronic fan. Today we're at Home Depot, and today we're going to be checking out their Halloween stuff for 2021. Anyway, before I start this video, I want you to please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please please hit the notification bell. Please leave comments in the comments of this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Guys, let's get started. So we have the Graven Bones collection, the Bone Throne over here for 200. We have this Frozen Stay Decayed skeleton over here. Here it is. Here is this 12 giant skeleton with black eyes. He's not here. Bone collection as well. Another thing over here we have is more Frozen Stay Decayed skeletons over here. So we have some doormats, Trick or Treat and Boo. We have these doormats over here. Doormats, we have Sally over here. No Jack, but we have Sally. We have guard stakes, spiders, spider webs, and hay bale stuff over here. And we also have Sally over here. Animated Sally for $200. So there's the animated Sally over here. So we have some Graven Bones, Frozen Stay, regular skeletons over here. We have some doormats, skeletons, yard sticks over here. And here's these guys, the pumpkin twins over here.
Scary tonight.
Is my head on straight?
I hope we see some
Here are the
ghosts
pumpkin
and
twins which are $80
Something kind of sweet.
or $79.98. We have giant size Inferno pumpkin skeleton. Here's this gravestone over here. Fortunately, they don't have the Inferno Scarecrow, which is supposed to be over here, but they don't have it. Here are these guys. There's this one. Oops. I'm gonna press some of these. There's actually nothing. And here's this brown. There's this pond over here that runs on the tricycle. Here's this over here. Here's this pond, the tricycle. Alright. So that is that. Those are our little things, but I don't feel like pressing them all because that would be too long. Here's all these Reese, ghost dogs, and cats, and here's a talking raven over here.
You dare come closer?
Here's a tinsel black wreath, more black wreath, spider wreath, cats, ghost, witch house, hats, haunted house, pumpkins, a ghost dog, and pumpkins and a boo sign. And actually we have the rocking chair witch over here.
How is my little darling this Halloween night? Let me sing you a lullaby. Hush, little baby.
hard. Come on, you can. Okay, well, I pretty much killed it, I guess. Come on, man. Oh, hi. Huh? Oh. Okay, here it is.
How is my little darling
No, it's the
this
same thing.
Halloween night? Let me sing you a lullaby. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring is brass, Papa's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Papa's gonna buy you a billy goat. Hey, do I have to sing you another song? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy. Ashes, ashes, we
This
all
has such a long activation on this guy.
Nighty night, my little trick-or-treater.
His red eyes are light up. Red eyes light up on this one. It's a Toontoon again. You know, I should have started if I showed it again. And we also have Halloween pillows over here. Halloween pillows. We have some scarecrow stuff and straw bales, and we have some jack-o'-lanterns over here. We also have a whole ton of these over here. There's some graveyard tombstones over here. Some scarecrows. We have the Grave Warrior here. Okay, doesn't work. Grave Warrior. Work, okay. We have the bubbling cauldron fire, $78. We have Headless Horseman.
My patience has been severely tested. I've waited hundreds of years. But no matter how long it takes, I will get what I came for.
Let's try him again. Doesn't work. Warrior doesn't work. We have the Inferno Reaper.
Your actions have brought me up to this world, and I will not leave until I have another soul for the taking.
Alright. There's Inferno Reaper. Okay. Here's the three-faced Jester, but the mouth doesn't move on, unfortunately.
Boogie boogie, boogie boogie. I'm coming to get you. Check it out.
Okay, Jester. Here is this guy over here. Doesn't work. Ghost Sprite over here does not work. Here's the scary face on it. Ah, that's scary. And here is the Darkened Angel. The Griffin statue. Here is the tombstone. Here's a tombstone over here. There's some boxes. We have boring, you know. Here's her little graveyard doll. Okay, hold on, guys. Oh, here it is. Hold on, guys. There we go. There's creepy Catherine. So here's this one. The statue. Reaper statue. Alright, so we have 2 rocking chair basing witches. Skulls over here. Okay, here's the witches over here. There's already witch coffin markers over here. There's already crown coffin markers over here. Already crown coffin markers over here. Okay. Oh, here's this one. There's the ghost that just lights up. Hanging Reaper. Hanging Reaper over here. Here's the witch over here. There's a already hanging witch. There's the skulls, scarecrows, I mean. We also so here's we have one headless horseman, plastics jack-o'-lantern. We have jack-o'-lanterns over here. Wreaths, here's a black hand. There's a rocks and flaming pumpkin with the timer over here. There it is. There's a mirror pumpkin in stock, a spider in stock. There's a spooky flaming pumpkin over here, flaming pumpkin. Over here we have spooky pumpkin spirit, I guess. Here it is. There's a rocks and patch scarecrow jack-o'-lantern over here. You have these. There's the dog in here. Here's some dog skeletons and cat skeletons. We have a cat. There's a dog. There's a turtle. There's fish. And there's a dog, there's a cat skeleton, there's a turtle skeleton, there's a fish skeleton. Okay, we have a skeleton mouse. There's a dog skeleton. There's a skeleton Mr. Dog again. There's a skeleton dog again. There's a skeleton dog. Skeleton wolf, I mean. Right. There's some purple lights over here. Fog machines and bubble foggers. It lines over these shadow lights. Star Wars. And here's this one. There's this protect the duck scary stuff. And here are some phones over here. Some more lights, gold projector. Skull projector. There's a Jack Skellington Royal Motion. There's this one over here. Wave of Motion. Here's this one over here. There are some Halloween gel creams and block stuff over here. And pumpkins and Halloween pillows. Some inflatables over here. We have a Black Cat inflatable, skeleton pumpkin ghost, cat and pumpkin, little Jack Skellington, boogeyman, doodle monster, unicorn duel, tree, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Snoopy, Minion, Devil, Scarecrow, Boo Scene, another Oogie Boogie, Jack Skellington, Reaper, another Ghost Tree, Jack Skellington, another Boogeyman, Oogie Boogie I mean. We have a spellcaster which is not set up, but they have 3 in stock. We have a 1 animated haunted ghost bride, and we have a ghost over here, caustic ghost, and 2 grave warriors, and 1 three-faced jester. But anyway, guys, so that was me showing you all the Halloween stuff in Home Depot for 2021. Anyway, before I end the video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button down below. Please hit the notification bell and turn on notifications. Please leave a nice comment down below. Please leave a nice comment in the comments down below. And also please share this video with your friends. Anyway, guys, this is Sir Animatronic Man here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.